Obonano ekele obonano otito obonano ejayama obiha igeji kwa nwanne m obonano ekele obonano otito obonano ejayama obiha igeji kwa yo. The foundation of your life is rooted in God. Yes. Na one issue ngaho for kapure praise. Young them Many calamities befalling people, but look at you and I. Here we are this morning, thanking Him, praising Him because of whom He is. Who are you? Not because of this and preserve. Nothing. We are just ordinary sons. I was watching a video last night on Facebook where you find you went to mortuary. At the main interview now, somebody will at Roshishi. So the man went to the mortuary to interview the mortuary attendant. The man put all the cameramen, if ever lie people. Or sending in an eba on 3 years plus 4 years. I cried last night like a baby. I said, all this stress I need, young wine. What for? What for? Within a short while, just bam. The little example, that man now made here I got a burial papier on the 8th of January. 8th of January, the man was throwing us rap of money, rap. 1 week after the burial of his father. After Egoni now was spent, I say he spent more than 150 million each bury his father. But after 1 week, he died. He died the right of that very community, how for Ethiopia. Just like that, they was the DK only escort. You escorting this man that very day. How carry the 50? Actually, got to get Corona as a bure when they say. But within a short while, he had to borrow because Neloche, it would encourage up and I shedded tears. So if you can see all those things and you are still doing like this, say, oh Jesus, say, oh Christ, you're wasting your time. This life is just that very time, maybe the affection. What will people or what do people gain from you? Don't hold things of this world so tight because any day you sleep over. Forget it, it's gone. Forget it, it's gone. Any day I'm buying a restaurant, asking me a place 7,000. I will diligently pay. 1,000. You know? Because now, once it's spam, it is over, and then they will enjoy the rest. The only thing is to live uprightly. Just do the right thing. And leave the rest for God. What your hustle? Your hustle must pay. Amen. Your hustle must pay. Amen. Whenever I will come like this, I will be remembering those days. But today, you know, so I don't know who have insulted you. I don't know what they have said about you. Holy Ghost! Give me that money. This week, we are going to eat from wrap of money. So you have me give me I gave me now. Father, as we are taking money from wrap, from now to the end of our life. And I got a personal cause. Go nyai. You go like get spend. I don't like an ATM. Doria. Or I got a bank. Or I got a wrap and go droche. Now many in Jesus' name. If you are taking this money, take it with faith. That's only obligate upon Hasonaka. I won't go to much or any mistake in your comma account or reject. Same chief, please give me a wrap of money. Which I in Jesus' name. Please, when it comes, you take it in Jesus' name. I will eat from wrap. My money will be coming in bundle. You take it in Jesus' name.
My money will be. It's your name.
Ofu kwa eche mesi.
Ofu ofu na. Rap.
You'll be eating from wrap of money. You no longer eat like the chicken. You'll be eating money. Continuously. I need I can hear you. In bundle you shall receive. In bundle you shall receive. In bundle you shall receive. In bundle you shall receive money. 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 In bundle, come down the people begin never. In bundle you shall receive money. More on your go like a baby. Holy Ghost fire. Jesus has made us the head. Have you taken it? In Jesus' name we are praying. Amen. Because some mad men. Yes. My God, moto, all mad na motanwa, all one up control the ego. So why would him mad men get not by the eye? Okay. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this is the beginning of your blessing this week. This week. Didn't go this week. You've never seen it. Amen. Also from nothing you will raise kings. I'm seeing kings and princesses. Amen. Amen. Like one family. Make sure your two hands are holding somebody. Bind us together, Lord. Bind us together. Bind us together with love that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord. Bind us together. Bind us together with love. Adiworo genamba, adiworo genamba, adiworo gema Chineke mekwuo ya. Adiworo munamba, adiworo munamba, adiworo muma Chineke.